In this tutorial, you will see how to review your SafetyOne intake inbox. The status column informs you of the stage of processing your adverse event is in. If your adverse event has a high level of confidence in relation to data extracted, and there is no missing mandatory data, it is sent directly to Argus Safety in an E2B format. If not, it will be listed for manual review. The Inbox panel displays a summary of adverse events that have been ingested into SafetyOne intake. This includes a total of adverse events ingested, those which require review, either due to low-quality extractions or missing mandatory data, and those which have been sent to Argus Safety. You can filter for certain adverse events by selecting the group. Or by selecting the confidence level or document type from the pie charts. You can also sort on any column by ascending or descending order, or page through to see all your selected adverse events. Finally, you can also search for specific cases using the filter. In this example, we will filter for adverse events which include the product celecoxib.